Alright, welcome to another video. Today, I've got another unboxing for you. I believe it's pronounced Urtue, the 2-in-1 electric toothbrush and water flosser. So, let's get into it. It's got the typical plastic film that wants to stick to everything. Alright. That's the easy part. Alright, let's see how this comes open. Okay. Ah, yes. Oh, we're upside down. Not too good start now. Alright. Supposedly this is a sonic toothbrush. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. Because I know some companies will claim that, toothbrush is sonic, but it's actually not. So, got our manual here. Not really worried about that right now. Just gonna stick that to the side. It's actually got some weight to it. You know what? Oh, yeah. Well, it's got some weight to it because it's actually got a built-in water pump. So, because it's... Okay, that's everything in the box. Because it's designed to also be a water flosser, it has a little port here at the bottom. So when you do the water part, you will take... I'll show you. I was reading this before they reached out to me. When they reached out to me, they wanted me to check it out. Okay, so in this box, we've got a little Type-C charger that goes right there on the bottom. So that's pretty cool. I wouldn't say it's as convenient as my Philips Sonic charger, but that's fine. Okay, so this is the tube. Basically, they say you get a cup of water, and you drop this tube in there, and hook the tube up to the bottom, and that's what pumps the water. So that's cool. And then here we've got our different tips, and way down at the bottom, if I can even get it out, I might have to open the other side, is a little carrying case. It's like oh wow, it's really nice. It's like a pleather material, and on the inside it's this, I don't know what you'd call that, but it's really nice. Considering what it is, this little case, it's pretty good quality. It cinches up when you pull the strings. It does what you think it would do. So yeah, in here we've got, we've got here what you usually don't get with other toothbrushes. Especially some of the other sonic toothbrushes. So we've got not one, but two toothbrush tips, and not one, but two water flossing tips. So, that's a really good deal. So one thing for sure I want to see, I I want to see if this is Sonic or not.
Luckily, we're members of American Home Shield.
American Home Shield provides home service plans that help cover the cost of parts of more than 20 home systems and appliances wear out. Like our AC just did.
Okay.
If we can't repair it, they'll replace it. This is totally fine. I don't have to worry about finding someone to fix my fridge. I can just stick to main rentals. American Home Shield has flexible plans to fit your budget and needs.
Okay. So, I think it's actually not Sonic. It's definitely not Sonic. But I'm not going to complain because... Oh, there's a little rubber seal inside there. That's cool. But yeah. It's not Sonic. It's not Sonic, but that's okay. Because even though it's... Oh God. You can hear the pump. Okay. So even though it's not Sonic, that's fine. It still has a powerful enough vibration that it's still going to do a pretty good job. So, yeah. I know one of the... See, on the thing, it just says electric toothbrush, which is correct. It is an electric toothbrush. But on the listing, it mentioned somewhere that it was a Sonic toothbrush, which is not the case. But that's okay. We're not going to complain about it because it's still... The first impressions of it are that it's still a pretty good product. So, yeah, I think this is gonna be okay. Can't wait to try it out. Yeah, so that's gonna be the first impressions and unboxing of this Urtue electric toothbrush / water flosser. I will report back with my full opinion and review after I use this a couple times, and then, you know, I'll demonstrate it being used after I've used it a few times. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this portion of the video. We'll report back after. For you, it'll be a few seconds. For me, it's probably a few days. Yeah, so see ya. Okay, so I just tested it out for the first time, and you know, my first impressions for the first time use, I'm pretty impressed. You can't really tell. I have some stains that just stay there, but aside from... Now, this is a good complaint. Aside from the water going everywhere because of the pressure, the thing is awesome. You know, I don't know how accurate the readings are on the box at the pressure, but dude, like, you can feel that shit. It feels like it's stabbing into your gums, like the water. It's awesome. And it works pretty well. Even the toothbrush part, even that works pretty well. It's not a Sonic toothbrush. And I will do a comparison in there. I believe the reason it's not a Sonic toothbrush is because the motor that also... Because that thing would have had to be much bigger if you were to have two separate devices for pumping the water and doing the toothbrush. So I believe what it is on the end of the motor is a counterweight that vibrates, and on the other end of the shaft is the pump that pumps the water up to the top. So, you know, but other than that, the thing works awesome. I would say it is as advertised on the box. It's pretty good. So, I'll give it a few more days of use, and then I'll like do a demonstration of how it's used, and go from there. But so far, I'm impressed. So yeah, look forward to the next part. All right, so final words on the toothbrush. I had my brother do that part. He wanted to help with the review, so I told him he could, and so here's my brother with the final words on the toothbrush. Hope you enjoy. All right, so my brother decided that he's gonna take part in this review, so he's gonna give the toothbrush a try for the first time.
Okay, just put some toothpaste on there. What is a little bit?
Just an FYI, when it stops and starts back up, that's when you're supposed to transition from one part of your mouth to the other.
Well, I have to remember that next time. It's kind of too late now.
Well, now you know.
Oh, it just stopped. So. Oh.
All right.
Okay.
Now go ahead and show them how to change the tip and put the water pick tip in.
Okay, so you just press this button on the back, pull it up, and that's where you put the water pick in, right?
That's where you put the tube.
Yeah. So I assume you just put the tip in there like you do with all the other. And then you put this in through the back. Right?
Yep.
Alright. And
And then you push the same button. And you can press the M button to change the pulse. That got over here.
oh, and how you change the pulse?
M. That's the mode button.
Yeah, do it soft. Here, let me. let me turn it up a bit. Turn it as normal. There we go. So, yeah. So now I give my opinion. Okay, so for the toothbrush part, if it feels like you're at the dentist when they use their little vibrating toothbrush. And I like how small it is too. So it doesn't, like a normal toothbrush like this, it feels like you're like stretching your cheek out just to get all the way back there to the teeth in the back. And with this, it was very easy to get back there. It's small, compact. With the sonic toothbrush, as you saw, it was very messy. But if you put it in your mouth and close your lips, then it doesn't get messy, and then you can just turn it off and spit the water out and continue. And just soft worked for me. I just had to turn it up a bit for some areas that weren't quite getting with the soft. So yeah, it's overall a really good toothbrush.